Hey guys, it's Kelsey from Anna's Family Vlogs, and today I'm going to be making some slime. So, yeah.
Hey guys, it's future Kelsey here, and if you want to watch only one of the slimes that I've made in this upcoming video, then make sure that you check in the description below and you'll find those links in there. So let's start with my first slime, which is FLOAM. So back to me, past Kelsey. Bye.
Okay, so the first step is you take your 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of borax. You don't want to do a tablespoon, or else your slime will be really hard. So about a teaspoon into 1 cup of warm water. So then we're gonna leave this to dissolve. So then I'm gonna get the glue. I like using glitter glue so then it's prettier, but you can use any glue that you want. Is put in as much glue that you want to make slime. I'm gonna make just a little bit of slime because the FLOAM beads will make it bigger. So now we're gonna start adding our borax in. Let's see. This is 1 teaspoon. Start coagulating. Gonna mix it up nice and good. You want it to be a little stickier because you want your beads to stick to the slime. So I like to do it a teaspoon at a time. So it's starting to peel off the bowl. So we're gonna go in with our hands, start kneading it. Still a little bit sticky. That is okie dokie artichoke. There we go. So next step is take your slime, dip it inside of the FLOAMs. I do it this way, so then you don't add too much of FLOAMs, but you don't add too little, and it's kind of easier to get the right amount. In my slime, I like a lot of FLOAM. There we go. So there's the slime. So I'm gonna make my second slime, and this is gonna be a stretchy slime. So the first step is you're gonna take this glue. I'm using glitter glue again. Again, you can use whatever glue that you want. I'm gonna put as much glue as you want to have. I think that's a good amount of glue. So then the next step is to take your body lotion or baby lotion. There's gonna get a little bit. Okay, sorry that I have to do it this way. I just don't have very much lotion left. Probably like about 3 pumps of lotion. So now we're going to mix it up. Now I'm gonna take 1 of that for now. And mix it up. I'm gonna add 1 more scoop in. So the slime is starting to form around the spoon, but it's still sticky. Okay, so now I'm gonna start picking it up and kneading it in my hand. It's still a little sticky, so I'm gonna put it back in the bowl and add a little bit more borax in. So it's still not quite as stretchy as I want it to be, so I'm gonna add a little bit more of this lotion. So all you gotta do is add more lotion, and then it will become more stretchier. So here is this slime. It's nice and stretchy. This one is also very smooth and thick. It gets nice and pearly, really pretty looking. Hair, I don't want to get that in slime. I'm gonna make my next slime is going to be a jiggly slime. Let's make the slime. The first step is, again, gotta add the glue. Now I'm gonna slowly add my normal warm water to it. I'm gonna slowly add this just to make this is what makes the slime jiggly. Really, when you're making slime, the only thing that really matters is the amount of borax that you add. So you really have to be careful with that. Other than that, you can kind of go free and do really whatever you want. Now, with jiggly slime, what I do is I add the borax a little slower because it's kind of easier to overactivate it for some reason. You can see it's kind of more blobby, like a blobfish. Just gonna pour it a little bit. So it's not quite as jiggly as I want it to be. Kind of on purpose overactivate the slime and then add in more water to it. This is just normal water. This is not borax water. The reason why I overactivate it now is because when you add the water, it'll make it more stickier, if that makes sense. Because water is just a liquid and the slime will just absorb the water. So when it gets stringy like this, that's good. But I'll get back to you when this comes together. So I just finished mixing in all of the water. And now it's very jiggly. Pretty weird feeling, actually. And it's really very kind of runny. And I did use the whole thing, all of this. So it's kind of like those barrel of slimes things. They're like those jiggly ones that aren't very stretchy. So this is probably one of the best jiggly slimes that I've made, but I'm a little bit biased, so I'm gonna have my madre react to these slimes. Okay, so here is your first slime. It is the jiggly slime.
Ooh. Okay. It is nice. It's not too sticky. It's kind of wet feeling.
Yeah, but it's not actually wet. It just feels wet.
It kind of feels like what I would imagine the goo felt like in the movie Ghostbusters. Ugh. Sometimes it's hard to get the slime off your fingers.
Rate it out of 10.
It's pretty good. I'd say maybe 6 or 7. Okay. Ooh, this is better. And it smells like lotion.
Yeah, it smells good.
Can you smell it?
Smell the vision. Ooh.
And comes right off my fingers. Okay, that's a good one. That's like a 9.
I think you like this one.
All right.
And this one you can build shapes out of.
Oh, this is fun.
And you can even build shapes with it this time.
Not very many of the balls are falling out. Yeah, this is good.
Can
And
make
it's
like
not
a
at
little
all
square.
like sticky. Make a snowman.
Slime man.
Oh, see, now some of the little foamy
Yeah.
guys are falling out.
But not so many.
I gotta give him arms
Give him feet too.
and a carrot nose. Oh,
so
you're so cute.
And he's got
Mr.
glitter
Snowman.
eyes.
We like you. We could give him a tail and he could be a snow duck. Sitting on a platform. All right, Kels, this is the winner.
Okay, so what is that?
For
I
the-
gave this one a 9 out of 10. What would that be?
This is a 10 out of 10. I mean, for the fun and playability of it, I like it a lot.
For the
It
mess it makes.
doesn't stick on my hands at all. And it's not too bad. Some of your other FLOAM beads slimes, or FLOAM beads go everywhere. This is not really dropping many at all. It's a winner!
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click the link in the description to find the single slime videos so you can learn to watch just one of the slimes. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.